Hi, Jonathan here from Hyworth Forklifts. Are you running out of space in your warehouse? We've got the perfect solution for you. Let me introduce to you the new Hyworth Double Deep Walkie Reach Stacker. This forklift is a walk-behind forklift. It doesn't require a forklift license, and it comes with a unique double scissor reach function that has been specifically designed for double deep pallet racking. This reach function will extend all the way out to 1,080 millimeters, unlocking up to 50% more storage space in your existing warehouse footprint. Up until now, the only way to access double deep pallet racking is with a ride-on double deep reach truck. Your typical warehouse forklift requires a forklift license and it will operate in an aisle of around 3.5 meters wide. What the Hyworth Double Deep Walkie Reach does, it can work in an aisle as small as 2.45 meters, and you don't need to have a forklift license to operate it. This forklift has a capacity of 1 ton up to 2 meters high, and all the way up to 6 meters, it can do 650 kilos at full extension. If you have limited space unloading your truck in your driveway, you can now use the double reach function to be able to reach all the way out and pick up that far pallet and unload the truck without the need for the truck to have to turn around in the street and back in again to access the other side of the truck. Fitted as standard, this forklift comes with a camera and a monitor system to assist with accurate pallet placement inside your double deep pallet racking. With a maintenance-free lithium battery, this forklift will last up to 4 hours of continuous usage, and it also comes with a 240 volt fast charger that will charge the battery in under 3 hours. This forklift comes in 4 different lift height variants, the smallest being a 4.5 meter lift height, which is actually a container mast forklift. The next one jumps up to 5 meters, then it goes 5.5, and the highest one is actually 6 meters high.